Okay, so question 3 of the 2019 paper. 3 unlabeled bottles containing different colorless solutions are known to be hydrochloric acid, sodium chloride, and sodium hydroxide. These unlabeled solutions can be identified using red litmus paper and baking soda. Okay, so let's have a look. They want us to complete this table and see what we think the observation should be if it was reacting with litmus paper, red litmus paper, or baking soda. Okay, so hydrochloric acid, we should all know that this is a strong acid. And if we were to measure this using universal indicator, it would show up red in the universal indicator. So right at the very end of the acidic sort of spectrum. So if we're putting red litmus paper in, we shouldn't actually see any change because red litmus paper only shows us, it will only change blue, which indicates bases, and it won't change any color. It's already red. So it will stay red or no change. Okay, sodium chloride is a salt. Sodium chloride is actually right bang in the middle. It's not an acid or a base really. So it will also stay the same. So stay red or no change. But we should know that sodium hydroxide, so the hydroxides particularly, is a base or alkaline, and it is going to change. So it's going to turn blue. Okay, so now let's have a look at baking soda. So baking soda, sodium hydrocarbonate. So think about that hydrocarbonate there. That is going to react only with an acid. So an acid will react with it. It will produce sodium chloride plus water plus carbon dioxide. And you should know that from the carbonate in there. Okay, so when you mix up hydrochloric acid with the sodium baking soda, you're going to get carbon dioxide being formed. So you're going to get fizzing. You're going to get bubbles, something like this. You may even think that you're going to see a reaction. You may even notice heat, although that would be something that you wouldn't be as noticeable in terms of the fizzing or the bubbling. So you're definitely going to see something there. Now, when you mix that baking soda with salt, okay, so sodium chloride is just your basic table salt. And if you mix baking soda with table salt, you're not going to see any reaction. So we're just basically going to write no reaction or no change. And again, baking soda with sodium hydroxide. Now, they're both at the same, the one end. So we're not going to see that neutralization reaction. So again, it's going to be no reaction. So the only ones that we're going to see the change into is going to be the red litmus paper will turn blue for sodium hydroxide, and the hydrochloric acid mixed with the baking soda will fizz and react.